It ran away.
Cameron, please find it and kill it, Jared, please. I'm freaking the fuck out. I don't want to be in this house. I'm gonna have an anxiety attack.
It's huge. Give me a napkin. It's okay.
Why is it in the house? Why is it that?
It was on you.
Why is it that big? Stop recording. Why? How did that get in the house? Oh my god, please be fake. Please be a joke.
Man, I can't do this.
Do it. I swear I will not live in this house. Please, I can't do this.
I'm freaking out. What if it jumps at me?
Ah!
Oh my god.
You better fucking find it, Jared.
Where'd it go?